matag adlaw. Being indigenous means honoring our ancestors, respecting nature, and believing in the power of education. Ang among kultura muhiba, dili ginibutang sa kanyanto. However, despite this richness, many indigenous people still experience discrimination. Tungod lang sa among pinulungan, hisura o lugar nga among ginikanan. Through this pageant, I want to use my voice to speak against discrimination and to promote understanding. Dili man mi perfecto, pero pareho rami ubilin ug dignidad sama sa uban. Education is a powerful tool to break stereotypes and give indigenous youth the confidence to dream bigger. True beauty is not only seen in appearance, but in identity, resilience, and purpose. Isip sa wakan ng manubo, nagbarog ko karon alang sa respeto, pagkapareho o pagpreserba sa among kultura. When we uplift indigenous voices, we create a more inclusive and united Valencia City.
That was